You will be seeing in this video the use of Orange data mining tool. The entire link and all you will get in the AI student handbook of CBSE class 12th. So this is a link orangeDataMiningTool.com downloads. A suggested download is coming for Windows. You can click at the exe default Windows installer. You can download as an unverified version. The link will take certain amount of time as it is 387 MB, so it will take few minutes. Let's wait. As you can see that the entire 387 MB exe file is downloaded. Let's click. Asking for permissions. Is it just for me or the entire PC? Wish to have shortcut, the location. The space required is 386.7 MB and I have around 8 GB space available. Name as a default name like Orange. So finally you can see the entire download is complete. Click at next, start Orange, finish. Depends upon your machine configuration, how you are going to react, and we're going to make use of it.